Did I not recall? I actually, it does not work. Wait, what? Okay, let me fix it. Something wrong with you, Luke. All right. Do anyone else? Does anyone else have a problem? It's fine. I think your router system blocks a certain port, so by default it's going to be 20. Yeah, by default, I think by default it's going to run on this port. And sometimes you have to allow it. You could connect to that port. That's weird. Okay. Can you create a new cluster? Okay. Right. So I will walk people through a couple of questions here first. Okay. Question number 4. The question is, oh my God, where's my mouse? Okay. Question is, display restaurant ID, name, borough, and zip code, but exclude the field underscore ID for all of them. So this one is very similar to number 3. I'm going to skip it. Yes. Why? Really? Name, borough, and zip code. It's the same. Oh, really? Let me see. Zip code is nested in address. Really? Okay, fine. Let's do it. Okay, let me try it. Rest, and I'm gonna find. For example, I want to show everything exclude this. Wait, what? Display the field restaurant ID, name, borough, and zip code. So right now I want to show zip code, right? So where is it? Address. This inside address. Address dot zip code. Zip code. Oh, there we go. So that's okay. In Mongo, you can set to a nested to a certain field in a nested object like this. You can just dot, and in order to dot the name of the key, in order to add a dot inside the name of the key, you need to make it as a string. So that's why we have the quotation here. Okay. That works the same for array as well. Right. So I'm gonna copy this. Here. nothing else here, right? Question number 5. There's some challenging question here, guys. So that's why it's very hard. The more you go down, the harder it is. So display on restaurant, which is in the borough bronze. So let's take a look at the doc here. Okay, so basically they want us to find document that has the borrow value that match the string here, bronze. So I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna type here db.res.find, okay, code, and we want to find the borrow that match bronze. There we go. So we have this bronze, this one also bronze, this one as well. So that's the answer for this. Questions? Question for this? This is very simple, right? Okay, move on to number 6. Display the first file. Okay, this one is cool. You don't want to show all, for example, thousands of documents, right? You want to show the first file only. So there's another method called limit. For example, you cannot limit here, and you can specify how many documents you want to return. Yeah, sure. There we go. So right now we only see 5 documents. So that's going to be a limit. Right, so that's the first 6 questions. So I will let you have time to work on it. All right, so how do I know about the limit? If you have never worked with it before, you can limit right here. Cursor the limit here. Say, here we go. You can limit the amount of document you want to return. Okay. Wow. What is that? Okay. So this is iteration. It's different. Okay. Limit and threshold. Okay. The one you want to see is this one. Cursor.limit. Okay. Just try something to. You can find the method. For example, file one as a name. Say you only find one document, right? And you also have file one and date like this. But mostly these questions will ask you to write the read query. They don't ask you to change anything or delete anything, just fine. Or grammar, just fine. And file here is the most important operation that you're going to use. Right, so that's all for the walkthrough, the first walkthrough. I will let you guys do it on your own. And I will try to have a look. Okay, do you have any questions? if you have any question about the question here, just type the number, the question number, and we will answer that on this call. So I'll stop this one.